Good evening, children of class 6. Coming back to your SST class. Yesterday I have discussed with you till the continent Asia. Today, as I have already told you yesterday, that I'll begin from continent of Africa. Now, Africa is the second largest continent of the earth. The Atlantic Ocean lies to its west. So, in the west of it, we are getting Atlantic Ocean, west of Africa. The Indian Ocean to the east and south, and the Mediterranean Sea in the north. Now you can have a question, how can one ocean be in both the sides, east as well as south? Now, if you think it, then if this is Africa, then this is west, this is north, this is east, and this is south. So if an ocean spreads from eastern zone to the southern zone, then this area comes as southeast area and eastern as well as southern part. Clear? এরম ভাবেই ইস্ট আর সাউথে একটা ওশান ছড়িয়ে থাকতে পারে। If it had been two opposite sides, তাহলে কিন্তু হতো না। Okay. আচ্ছা। The Tropic of Cancer, the Equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn pass through these continents. এই কন্টিনেন্টের ওপর দিয়ে three main lines are passing: Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and Equator. And so Africa is having a very hot and humid climate. We all know that. The world's longest river Nile is over here. The biggest desert, Sahara, is in Africa. And the dense forests are also found in Central Africa itself. Why? Because continuously there is raining. Africa is clear. Next coming is North America. This is here. You can see the pictures as well as the name of the places and the descriptions. Okay. This is page number 127. North America is the third largest continent. So first largest continent is Asia, second is Africa, and third is North America. According to the size and width, the continents are being placed in your book, so it will be easy for you to remember. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It is bounded by the north by the Arctic Ocean on the east, Atlantic on the west, a North Arctic Ocean, East Atlantic Ocean, and West Pacific Ocean. North Arctic Ocean, East Atlantic Ocean, and West Pacific Ocean. The Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle are running through this continent. Several mighty mountains are found over here. Mighty chains of mountain. Chain of mountain কোনগুলোকে বলা হয়? Continuous mountain একরকম ভাবে সোজা. That is the chain of mountains. Like Rockies, Appalachian, ঠিক আছে? And the biggest freshwater lake, that is Lake Superior, that is also found in North America. Okay. Next comes South America. South America is the fourth largest continent because North is the third, Africa is the second. So this is going to be the fourth largest continent. Pacific Ocean lies to the west, Atlantic to the east, Southern Ocean to the south. Okay. Now, যে কন্টিনেন্টের সাউদার্ন পার্টে তুমি কোনো ওশান পাচ্ছ না, তাহলে বুঝতে হবে সাউদার্ন পার্টে নেক্সট কোনো কন্টিনেন্ট আছে। যে কোনো কন্টিনেন্টে দেখবে একটা সাইড এনগেজ, বিকজ সেখানে কন্টিনেন্টস আর এক্সিস্টিং। ক্লিয়ার? আচ্ছা। The equator and the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn and equator South America ওপর দিয়ে যাচ্ছে। The longest mountain chain in the world and runs on the western edge of this continent. আচ্ছা, the Amazon is also found in South America. Amazon is the famous forest. তোমরা জানো সব থেকে ডেন্স, সব থেকে গভীর এবং সব রকমের জন্তু জানোয়ার এখানে পাওয়া যায়। So this forest is also found in South America. Next comes Antarctica. Antarctica হচ্ছে fifth largest continent. This is the southern pole. It remains permanently covered with ice and snow. Arctic and Antarctic Circle, if you remember, then those two are the frigid zones. When I have taken your zones class, I have told you Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. These two are always covered with ice. That is why these two areas are called frigid zone. এবার অ্যান্টার্কটিকাটা ওখানেই থাকবে, অ্যান্টার্কটিক সার্কেলের ওখানে. সো ইট ইজ হোল ইয়ার ইট ইজ কাভার্ড উইথ আইস অ্যান্ড স্নো. কোনো হিউম্যান সেটেলমেন্ট ওখানে নেই বিকজ টেম্পারেচার ইজ অলওয়েজ মাইনাস অ্যান্ড এক্সট্রিম কোল্ড. এতটাই ঠান্ডা যে হিউম্যান বিং ক্যানট এক্সিস্ট, দে উইল ডাই. Last but not the least is Europe, which is connected with Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through it. The Alp and Ural mountain ranges are here. River Danube is the longest river of Europe. Europe comparatively choto, comparing with the other continent. And last, Australia. Australia হচ্ছে সবথেকে ছোট, সবথেকে বড় কন্টিনেন্ট হচ্ছে এশিয়া, and the smallest continent is Australia. It is like in the southern hemisphere. If you divide the total earth into 4 hemispheres, east, west, north, south. So southern hemisphere lying is Australia. The Indian Ocean to its north and west, the southern ocean to the west, and Atlantic to the east. North and west, as I have told you, east or south, there can be same ocean. Similarly, north and west can be have same ocean. Tropic of Capricorn ekan diye pass korche, and large part of the continent is a desert area. Great Barrier Reef, world's largest coral reef, is located in Australia. Okay, the lithosphere is necessary for, here ends the continents. এবার দেখো, land part is lithosphere, and without lithosphere life cannot exist. জলে বছরের পর বছর একটা মানুষ থেকে বেঁচে উঠতে পারে না. So he needs air, he needs land. So lithosphere is necessary for human life. We build our houses, we grow foods, we grow crops. So lithosphere is highly required. Here ends your lithosphere. Next segment starts is hydrosphere. Now hydrosphere is the watery part. Jol. Yesterday I told you, watery part is hydrosphere, landed part is lithosphere, and airy part is atmosphere. So let's start hydrosphere. Water exists on earth in all its forms. Total earth take jodi amra 4 bhage bhag kori, then 3 parts of the earth is full of water. Only 1 part is land, and that part is the world where life is existing. Now just imagine what a huge amount of land is that. Ote continent, otei tor cities, district, village, ja ache, landing part, সবই 1%. বাকি 3% is water. আচ্ছা, what are the forms of water found in hydrosphere? Oceans. Oceans হচ্ছে মহাসাগর. Seas, সাগর বা সমুদ্র. Rivers, নদী. Lakes, lakes হচ্ছে ডোবা, না ডোবা নয়, লেক হচ্ছে যে লম্বা এক ফালি যে জলের স্রোত. These are the water parts. Solid in the form of ice sheet and glacier. Glacier, Atlantic Ocean, you can search. If you search in Atlantic Ocean, you can see the picture of glacier. These are very strong and they can break any ship also. So strong. মনে করো না ওই ফ্রিজারের বরফের টুকরো. No, these are glaciers. Very tough, like a mountain. Together, all this water in different forms make up the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere covers almost 71% of Earth's surface. 100% এর মধ্যে 71% cover up করছে water. Of all water bodies, ocean are the largest, that is containing 97%. Water of the ocean and sea are saline, nona. Saline water means nona, and cannot be used for human beings. However, Oceans are the home of rich variety of animals. Kintu, different types of fishes, then animals, then creatures you can find in oceans and seas. Not separated by boundaries, the water of the ocean flow into each other. As because one ocean is not separated, water cannot be separated like that. So they are connected, and so one water, sorry, part of some water of one ocean can flow easily to the other ocean. And scientists have divided, but because it is very hard to calculate, so scientists have divided the oceans into five different ones, as it make easier to study. If you see map number 126, page number 126 এর এই পিকচারটাকে যদি তোমরা দেখো, here oceans are mentioned. কন্টিনেন্টের সঙ্গে ওশানগুলোকে মেনশন করা হয়েছে. You see Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Okay, so oceans are mentioned in page number 106 picture. So this is the introductory part of hydrosphere. Read up till this. We will proceed in the next part of hydrosphere in our next session. Okay children, thank you.